Turn around there so I can get your picture. Is that your boy over there?
Yeah.
What's his first name?
Andrew.
Andrew, that's Andrew. Well, there's the preacher, Brother Paul. Nice fellow. Over here's his boy. There's that boy. I tell you, he's a working man too.
I got two hard-working boys.
That's not the oldest one. Where's the oldest one?
The older one's David.
Oh, Dad, he's in school, isn't he?
David's in school, yeah.
Yeah.
David's my Old Testament boy. Andrew's my New Testament boy.
David's a good fella. Yeah, he's a nice boy. It's slippery.
Run over that dog for me. Run over the line.
Go ahead and hit him. That's one dog that's a nuisance. That's the biggest nuisance in town.
There's a bunch of them running. I'll go.
Boy, tell him to go. Tell him to go. Boy, we've had some winter, haven't we? Now we'll take the picture for the snow right here in the house. Snow on the mountain. Can't get outside to take the snow, so I have to take it here in the house. This is the back porch here, right here in Davis, West Virginia, where John Baby lives. I thought I'd just show you that. Right here's some more snow. Right here at the door where we get in. Well, right out there's the mailbox. It was covered clear over a while ago, but the wind blew the snow all the way. I wish it would blow the rest of it away. Right out there's the car. It was covered this morning, but that friendly wind just kept on blowing and blowed it away. Well, this is a blizzard of 1993, March 15th. Let's see, I'm right here in front of the house, I guess. Yeah, there's a picture on the wall. It's almost fell away. Well, there's Albert's house. Ain't showing up. Ain't getting no picture. Okay. See if they get a picture. Now we get a picture.
That thing'll work them to death. You know what?
Yeah, this thing here ain't working right. That snow just can't see nothing. Yeah, I can see it now. Ah, they're out there shoveling that snow. Where you at? I'm gonna do with him. I'll get a picture of him for
Hey,
you.
Rick. Ricky. Here.
Somebody wants to talk to you.
Ricky, phone. Phone. The phone. For you.
Stand right there.
Stand right there.
You ain't no good. You can't even take a good picture. That's my buddy Ricky. I gotta kid him a little bit.
Get him.
I'm gonna get him as soon as I get turned around. Get back there, boys. Woo, where'd that snow come from? Look at that. Look at that snow up there in front of my house. Now you can see how many. Now you're there.
Come on.
Woo. Let me get out of here a little bit and get some of this here. Goodness sakes.
You just missed the big one.
Yeah, I know, I was watching him.
Jeez. Here, let me get a picture of you.
Oh, I forgot about that.
How do you work this?
Just hold it and pick it up against me. See if you can see me through there. Can you see me?
Yeah, there we go.
Praise the Lord, I'm going home. Yeah, let me get back out of here. I'm getting freezing out here. Let me quit. Goodness sakes, it's cold out here. I'll be even back out tomorrow. Look what he's got that now again. I want to get his picture.
Hey, Ron.
Hold up there a minute. Well, this thing's getting froze. Okay. That thing's getting froze. You can't.
Plus a profile of one of the most high-profile people in baseball. See you at 11 o'clock Eastern tonight.
Went down that window and took a picture.